our friends, this is Emma, and today I'm going to teach you step by step how to draw a back to school puppy. Let's get started. We'll first start by drawing the puppy's eyes. So I'm going to draw a big circle. And within the big circle, I'm going to draw two smaller circles for the highlight. And shade in the rest of the eye. Now let's draw the point across and draw a similar sized circle. Again, two smaller circles for the highlight. There. Now in between the two eyes, I'm going to draw a small oval and shade it in. Now from this point, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes outwards towards the left and one towards the right. That's the puppy's cute smile. Now let's add two brows. So I'm gonna start with drawing just a short angled line above the eyes and then draw this point across and add another short line on the other side. Now let's frame the face. So from above the brows, I am going to draw a soft curve that curves upwards and bring it back down. Now let's bring this line downwards. And then right around the middle of the eye, I am going to bring this line slightly outwards to give the puppy a chubby face and bring this line back. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Angle line down. And curved line back. There. So now let's draw the puppy's ears. So on each side of the head, I'm going to draw a big floppy ear, like a long oval that bends down. They look soft and floppy. And let's do the same on the other side. Let's draw this point across. So we'll start from here and then draw this point across. The ear will end here. And now let's draw this line downwards and connect back. So we got the two floppy ears, and now let's draw the body of the puppy. So let's bring an angled line that comes down this way and bring it back. Let's do the same on the other side. Now let's draw an arm. So from here, we'll draw a line that curves inward, like the puppy is holding something. And let's do the same on the other side. There. And then let's draw the backpack. Okay, so we're gonna start from here and draw a curved line that goes up and comes back down. So that's the top of the backpack. And we are going to add a handle. Now let's bring this line under the arm and draw an angle line that goes outwards, and do the same on the other side. We're gonna round it off at the bottom. And connect. Now let's add some details to the backpack. So I'm going to add a flap here. And you can design your backpack in the way that you want. And I'm just gonna add a pocket here by drawing a rectangle. And I'm going to give my backpack 2 side pockets here, just like that. This is where you put your water bottles, right? And let's connect the rest of the body. And don't forget the tail. So I'm gonna draw a curved line that goes out and bends over, round it off, and bring this line back in. There. That's our cute puppy going back to school. Now I'm going to color it and I'm going to fast forward, but feel free to pause if you need more time. And that is how to draw a back-to-school cute puppy. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading weekly new tutorials to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.